Let's say then it's Monday and John picks a shirt and he goes with this little number that I'm drawing here. Okay, got his shirt sorted. Right, he then goes for a hat and he picks this hat. Then he's got 4 scarves that he could go with, based on like the ones that there are. Let's go with, what colour should I go to? Doesn't actually matter, does it? Pink. Okay, weird. He's got 4 that he could do. That's just for that shirt and hat combination. Now, if he changes his hat, then there are 4 scarves he could have with that hat. And overall, there's going to be 24 combinations of scarves and hats he could have with a particular shirt. But then he could have 7 other shirts. And so we end up multiplying them all together. I hope that makes sense. For a particular shirt and particular hat, there were 4 scarves, but then he might keep the same shirt, change the hat, there'd be another 4 scarves. He might do the same again, another 4 scarves until he's exhausted the different hats. There's going to be 24 different hats and scarves for the first shirt. But then there are 8 shirts, so I can do 8 times that, and that's going to give me all the combinations. 8 times 6 times 4, which is 8 times 24, which is 160 plus 32, which is 192 as required. John thinks if he picks just 2 of the 3 items of clothing, there'll be more than 192 combinations. Is he correct? Well, let's have a look. So let's see if he just picks shirts and hats. Then it's going to be 8 times 6. I'll put a comma there just to make it clear. 8 times 6, and that is 48. What if he picked shirts and scarves? Then it would be 8 times 4, which is 32. Okay, because we're just multiplying 2 of the numbers now because we're not picking one of them each time. And then finally, we've got hats and scarves. For that, it's going to be 6 times 4, and that is 24. So I need to add these up. I've got 48 plus 32 plus 24. Okay, 6, 8, 14. We've got 7, 8, 9, 104. So 104. There are less than 192 combinations here. Okay, I think that's enough working to make it clear what I'm doing. I know I abbreviated some of these things. You could expand it a little bit more, but that's my answer, and I just need to write a conclusion at the end.